How to use Lucidchart AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, search lucidchart.com in any browser and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top left, click on New. Then simply press on Lucidchart. Then press on Blank Document, which will open a blank document. It may take some time to load. After it's loaded, on the left side you'll find Generate Diagram. Click on Generate Diagram. This is AI Generator. Click on the plus button below Describe your design or diagram. After you click on the plus button below Describe your diagram, you will find all these options for your AI generator. Simply scroll down and select the one you prefer. I'm simply selecting Basic Mind Map. After you're done, you can simply type your prompt in here. You can also select examples from the top. I have simply selected example from the top. Now press on Enter. And as you can see, AI has created Basic Mind Map. You can click on it to edit, as you'll find different options to edit on the right side. You can also summarize this by simply scrolling on the right side and clicking on Summarize. As you can see, it has summarized what's written at the top. This is how to use Lucidchart AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.